interrupt the regularly scheduled Berlin Adventure programming to post another video. This weekend, Rust is Gold is having a raffle for a really cool vintage bike. And I didn't want to have this video post after the event has taken place because we talk a little bit about it in the video. So we'll get back to the Berlin stuff on the next video. Uh-oh.
Don't want to lose that.
Oh no. Welcome to Luis TV. Me and Peter took out the vintage bikes. You know, it's just breaking on these bikes all the time. My mirror's starting to come off. Look at that thing. Peter's license plates was falling off. These old bikes, man, they really take a beating out there. I'm gonna say hello to my friends and try to get some tools to fix this. Okay, Jeffrey Lawler saving the day. He had tools. The mirror's back on. This is Jeffrey's brand new bike. He just got it. There's a big old toolbox in this Triumph. Right, I guess this is a normal occurrence now at Rust is Gold.
Well, today is not this, but the last Sunday of the month is the regular occurrence. Every last Sunday of the month. Today is more of a loose meetup for New Mexico sport bike guys. These guys, you know, they're riders and racers, and they love two things in life, right? Coffee and motorcycles.
And you can get both of those things over here.
Absolutely. You know, we're right next to Moto Authority, so, you know, our friend Steve's right there. So actually, there's a big one coming up. Last Sunday of March, they're going to give away this Honda 350 in here.
Oh, they're giving away a bike?
Yeah,
oh,
so it's a raffle bike. It's $10 to buy a ticket, and it all benefits this charity, Saranam, I think it's
dude,
called.
show me this bike.
It's right inside.
Let's go see this giveaway bike. So Rust is Gold is raffling this off.
Correct,
And
yeah.
who built this?
Steve Brown, Kings of Speed Racing.
That came out nice,
Oh
dude.
yeah, it's pretty slick. I don't know what year it is. It's a CB350.
Look at how that tank came out, dude.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a mix of the flat with the gloss.
Yeah.
It's very subdued. It's really nice.
If you're in the Albuquerque area, come give this guy some love, man. They got a good gig going on over here.
$10 for a raffle ticket. I mean,
Yeah.
like, even if you lose, it goes to charity to help homeless families. So it's
Yeah.
good.
Thanks everybody for showing up. First ride of the year for New Mexico sport bike riders.
A lot of people don't know this about Jeffrey, but this guy is a movie star. Yeah, I don't know if you've heard of a little movie called News of the World. This guy right here is in that movie.
It's a little bitty part. It's like this big.
That's badass, dude. Who are we missing?
I don't know. Are we missing someone?
Yeah, we're waiting on somebody. Hey, should we go back and see what happened?
On the curve, and then Darren was right behind him, and I had nowhere to go, so I went up in the dirt.
Thank
around.
Oh, well, that's why we got to put a camera on you, dude.
I had the camera. I had the wreck on the wreck on the wreck, and Peter was like, ding, 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 ding.
This guy rides dirt like a dude.
Rides cafes in the dirt pretty good.
Yeah.
Felt like I was at home.
Yeah. There's no knobs though, so be careful.
Yeah, well, I don't really need knobs.
You get this guy a supermoto.
This here is my buddy Darren. It's been a long winter. We haven't ridden together, but this is our first street ride of the year, so it's nice to see this guy.
Yeah, my buddy.
I see you got the white goatee now.
Getting old.
Getting old. Still a bit snowy, huh?
A little bit. Well, it's 10,000 feet. What are you gonna do?
The group came up to the top of Sandia Peak, early March. Look at this. Oh my God, it's cold up here.
I can't get my gas thing open, bro, and I'm completely out. Oh, did it?
There we go.
Wow.
You ready to go eat?
Yeah. All right, let's do this.
What's going on in here?
Did you guys get your food finally?
Hootie Wuddy?
Hootie what?
Who's in the blowfish?
Nice seeing you.
You too, man.
All right.
Good to see you.
Nice seeing you.
Love you, bro, man. Take care, bro.
It's nice seeing you,
You
dude.
too. We'll ride again.
All right, let me go get a can of that stuff and then we'll go over there and deep clean everything, dude. So we finished this ride. The bikes are dirty. We decided to come by the car wash and clean them up. So while we're here, we went and got a can of engine degrease to make sure everything comes out clean. Yeah, that's what the engine degrease is for, right there. Bikes are spotless now. And we didn't bring a towel to dry them.
Air dry.
Air dry, that's right. We didn't bring a towel.